Welcome back, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Funky D Worldwide. Yes, today's program, we're going to go straight and deeply inside the news when I get for now. And the news when I get for now today, now about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the ESN security men, and about the good things when Nnamdi Kanu don't bring come to our region. Better things Nnamdi Kanu don't bring come to our region. So evil, na him. The present governors, the present governments, when the eastern part of the country, when the Biafran land, na so evil that they commit. I don't tell una before, say, if not be all these governors when una gets today in Biafran land or in Nigeria, all these are governors. Now them be the Obenga problem when una gets. If una not root out these governors, una not go feel root out the problem when una get in that country. And to root out these governors, go take a very serious action to bring these people to justice. Now them they give away everything to the north. And then they allow the north to take away our resources from our hand. Resources when God take bless us. Well. Now him, these people, they trade businesses on top of our head. I mean the governors. Not only oil matter, but the only Obenga business now where they knock on top of our heads, including human business. Hanegisi mado na ramini in Nigeria. Hanegisi mado na ramini in Biafran land. All these governors, the politicians, I mean the Hanes and Digbos, all those people, what do they call them? What do they call them? There are a lot of them. Look at those Wazurike group. Look at Asari Dokubo group. All these people, they are trading business with innocent Biafran people heads. The Owazurike, then whether they claim, say, then get followers, well, not they see anybody when they follow them. Owazurike, when they claim, say, in a stakeholder. Say, if you don't know, say, in a stakeholder in that Nigeria, make you go ask the Northerners. In fact, he say, make you go ask the Sultan of Sokoto. Say, now the Sultan of Sokoto, I know, say, him, na stakeholder, only Sultan of Sokoto. And Igbo man, they knock hand for chest, they brag. In the support one Nigeria, recently, the Nigerian army, ladies and gentlemen, make one of say Funky D, not the year waiting happen, or maybe say I keep quiet on the news when they go on in Nigeria. Lie. Every single thing when they happen, every now and then in that country, I am well informed. I not come and know me say, I know the sea road. Una know what the army people do to this guy who was really recently. The Amazon secretariat, ladies and gentlemen, the army, the one Nigeria, one who was really they clamor for. Or they glamour for. Ladies and gentlemen, the army, them burn down the Mossad or Mossad secretariat when belongs to Owazurike and in group. Owazurike go they cry, say cha, say na IPOB, say na Nnamdi Kanu, na him make this, na then they cause trouble. After they cause trouble finish, they go come back, they no go see them now. Army don't bounce or punch on top his secretariat. I said, oh, this was one Nigeria. very soon. Now your life, you go collect if you not take time. Because people, when they support this one Nigeria, they know they end in peace, ladies and gentlemen. Then they end in pieces. Begin watch their life, their history, one after the other. Anybody, when be politician, when they clamor for this one Nigeria, majority of them, ladies and gentlemen, then they end up in pieces. So army go punch, burn down Uwazurike secretariat. Uwazurike, when they support one Nigeria, you want them to say, I may not see that Mossop when they cross put on top of the door before they punch them down. They see and say, na Mossop. They not say, now you be their leader. As you claim, say you be leader. When we not they see any follower or anybody when they follow you, just like that your brother, when come from a Ijaw land. When they claim, say, in a Ijaw man, because all these people that claim that they claim, we are not sure, say, they come from that particular place where they claim. Now only claim that, oh, I be Ijaw man. The one where they call himself. Outside the Kubo and Uwazurike, once again, with the challenge una, make una bust out or boost out una supporters as una they claim. Just as Nnamdi Kanu now they lead battalions, millions of people all over the world. Make una show us una muscle when they claim say una get supporter. Outside the Kubo, Uwazurike, there is nothing like Mossop. Mossop is a criminal enterprise run by Uwazurike and some few group of people. Oh, outside the Kubo, oh, that one, no, don't go there. Long time, that one oil is taking undo. That one not get any single supporter. If they claim say una get supporter, just like, although we not say una no fit come out again. Una no fit come out again. Because I don't see what our able leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't boost out. Una reaching wings. Person there abroad, they control governors, they control a whole region, they control the whole Biafran land. I mean the whole southeastern part of the country. Even Nnamdi Kanu can control the whole nation from London. Now, all of them they come, they bow down to Nnamdi Kanu. If una they claim so una get supporters, Asari Dokubo, Uwazurike, when anything will happen to them, he go say na IPOB. Anything will happen, he go say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Anything will happen, even the Northerners don't give them better blow or better punch for face, he go say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the person. Make una boost out una supporters as una they claim. Nobody they support these people. Nobody. So, ladies and gentlemen, this opportunity, now from Kili say, man, it must to come and contact Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for the better job when in done they do, for better things when in done they achieve. People they talk say this man not a fight, but in they control millions of people from abroad, ladies and gentlemen, not be from Nigeria. Somebody they control you now, they control battalions, millions of people from abroad. From London, people they listen to him, people they obey his order, people they respect his command. Not to talk of say, if you're Nigerian, ladies and gentlemen, think about that. I said, think about that. Then they say, now they cannot they fight freedom. In they do this, make it come back to Nigeria. But people when they Nigeria, not they do anything. In when they London now, in they execute all this is plan. Now, London, when they execute them, ladies and gentlemen, it not be Nigeria. This one Nnamdi Kanu don't do. Nobody don't ever do them, ladies and gentlemen. Nobody can ever. You dey London, they control people in Nigeria. You give command. You say, make una stop, then go stop. Make una march, then go march. Make una move, then go move. Make una do this, then go do it. Make una do like that, then go do it. Ladies and gentlemen, Nnamdi Kanu deserve kudos. Better one. Only all these criminal career politicians when una get in Nigeria, now only them go come and come. Now few now they feel come and criticizing Nnamdi Kanu. Very few. Aso Rock don't tire. Aso Rock don't destroy. Everything when Nnamdi Kanu promise, so just they happen. Nigeria don't fall. The zoo don't fall. You never fall. When army they run. Army they run. Make I give una one expo. Now this morning I see this one now what happen. Una know say Borata before Borata retire. Whether na retire, whether na resign, resign, whether not be Borata they show also, whether na the picture, whether they show also, we not care again. The only thing we care about now for Biafra to come, that's all. Whether na Buhari that's all, whether not being there, whether na APC they rule, whether na PDP they rule, whether na Bola Tinubu one bill, we not care again. What do we care about? Now just that Biafra. That's all. If una like make una propagate from here to America, nobody cares. We not send on a message again. I say 6 Igbo people, men, able-bodied guys, na him, army people, execute. Days, all of them are Christian. Their pictures day, everything day. All of them are Christians, ladies and gentlemen. When army people, headed by Borata, one of the places in Borata, they kill those people. For nothing, they're not doing anything because they be Christians. Now, army people don't come and come deny, say, na lie, they're not doing. Say, no, they're not doing. No, they're not doing. Now, I mean, now from Kidi from Canada can kill those people. 6 people, ladies and gentlemen, able-bodied men, young guys. Now, him, these people take their life for nothing. Now that they come and they talk, say, oh, they're not do anything. So, the job when they can know, they do for us, all of us. If you like, come cry for here. After you don't listen to this program, come cry in this program, no problem. Come propagate for the Janjaweed. We not send you. Talk anything when you want to talk. Nyan anything when you want nyan. From Kidi say, we not send you now again. Nnamdi Kanu, now be that person when God don't really give that mantle. 2 years ago, I come out on my program, they tell me, I say, Nnamdi Kanu are the only man when they see road in that country. So the governors, when they there, they just they there, they loot, they kill, they send the northerners, they come kill our people. They send and say, oh, you're not going to come carry our oil. Then now give us presidency, now give us this and that. This 2023, we don't talk and say all of una. Ladies and gentlemen, make one not forget another of our prediction. Well, we don't predict. Yes, but people, when they work from Kidi worldwide, una don't see them many times in my video clips. Why they tell us say, all these people, they're not going to see 2023. This 2023, they're not going to say, watch out, what did it happen? Right from Abakari to Mamandara to this one they call Muhammad Tanko. The other one they call Issa Fatua. All of them don't go, ladies and gentlemen. Bola Tinubu now, that one there for France. When they don't know the sickness, when hold that one. He there for France. People say that coronavirus. In this platform, we know they believe that coronavirus. But the people say that coronavirus. Bola Tinubu not in Nigeria. Over a month plus now. Nobody be talking. They want to manipulate your head to enter that 2023. The way they carry the name of the dead Buhari, they manipulate your head since 2017 they come. So that, oh, na Buhari, oh, na Buhari. Oh, now, they call Buhari too much again now. All that Buhari thing don't cease. The wife of the president, Dubai. Tanko Muhammad, nowhere to be found. Mamandara, nowhere to be found. Abba Kyari, that one don't go long time. Aisha Buhari, oh. You tell me, say, one Nigeria. So, ladies and gentlemen, Nnamdi Kanu, they do good job. During the pandemic, all of us remember now, when Nnamdi Kanu can give some certain things in people. This man, they abroad. They secure in people. Even though say in mama and in papa die inside this struggle. They must continue to fight this fight. The fight when they believe, say yes, Biafra must come. As Funky this still believer. The one day, Biafra will come. I say that Nnamdi Kanu now is the leader, the full leader. Ezendi Igbo. the king of the Biafrans. Everything now, when I know say now they cannot give a Nigerian government 14 days ultimatum. What will happen to the news don't come say the Nigerian government, they don't quickly when they implement that anti-grazing law. When they ask for, say, make them do, say if they not implement them, if they give them just 14 days. If they not implement them, then ESN go implement them. ESN Securities go implement them. And IPOB. Nnamdi Kanu must declare this Biafra, whether una like him or not. Nothing they happen to Nnamdi Kanu. Declare this Biafra. Declare her. Nothing will happen. These people, they not get any backup. Now, up they fly. The whole thing when they be say, the governors, now them be our problem. If they not allow these Fulani people to come in wherever they no go enter there. So they don't collect money to kill you when they chant one Nigeria. Don't tell all of us how this thing before. The ESN don't come save our people. And so we call our Yoruba brothers and sisters. May they be very, very vigilant. A lot of them do. So whether they among them, we go talk all these things this time around about how Sowore could be involved in the liberation of the Oduduwa people with Sunday Igboho. Because if you not join Sunday Igboho, that means something is fishy. You get it? So we are thanking Nnamdi Kanu very, 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 very much for his good job. You they say you know they fight, he they abroad, he they mount ESN securities. Even the governors. Now 1 billion years when we don't they beg these people say make them give our people security so that our people go defeat they go farm. Then block their ear. Now when Nnamdi Kanu don't bring out the ears and they say they won't bring out their own, Nnamdi Kanu tell them say no, una own no go fit function. Because when they tell una before, una say no. Now we don't bring out our own, una won't bring out our own to counter our own. No, una own no go fit function. Of course, their own no go fit function. We no go allow them to function. Because now being said that one those people won't go look for Hesmith now to fight ESN people. Now him be the job when the governors don't employ those people for. When they claim say they don't, you know, a lot of governors now like Enugu State Governor, Abia State Governor don't come and say they don't do it. All those kind of nonsense things where they don't tell us in 100 years. When we know they believe them. And even though say una do them, you know go function. Because we don't allow una fight. They won't come fight the ESN securities. Not be the heads where they will look for now the ESN securities. I don't know if you see them. So, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of things since when I know they come out for broadcast again because of you know my job and so many different things. A lot of things don't happen. Even the issue of the former deputy assistant to Nnamdi Kanu, what they call it. I don't tell on that one before. Not one I never tell on before. Say these people, this kind of person, not be freedom fighter. Like I just tell them about that Aisha Yusuf. She's a criminal. That Aisha Yusuf is a big criminal. When they fight for her pocket. Just like Owazulike, Asari Dokubo. All this group of people. They're not us, they don't hide their own because we know right from onset say they're not like Igbo people. Then they do and Koro say we know if we do them anything. But this time around, we go tell them say we go do now something. We must do something to stop this nonsense when they happen in Nigeria. It's total nonsense. People won't get oil, not they benefit anything from oil. People won't get everything. You did that they chant one Nigeria because of our oil. We don't tell them how this thing before. The reason why when they chant this one Nigeria, anybody when they support one Nigeria, Even after revolution, anybody when they chant one Nigeria, not like you not like Nigeria, you not like nobody. The thing when they like now that same oil. It's not that they call one Nigeria because say they like one Nigeria. They call one Nigeria because they want to steal your oil like never seen before. Now make them now. Check them out now. Abi you get better school when they Nigeria. Abi get way better road day for that country. Abi water one they drink it. Abi job day. So why that one Nigeria? So the one Nigeria, so they chant them, they not as they come, they rape you, they will come, they kill you, they will continue to deal with you, they will continue to kidnap for ransom. Meyati Alana, they don't hide them. They don't hide them again. Now them be everything, even now them they rule Nigeria. These same Meyati Ala people when be cattle breeders. When be saying a cow they know about. Anywhere where they do na dirty. Everywhere they did are dirty. Everything what they do are dirty. Everything are upside down. Na him una they chant one Nigeria for. Why una they kill on ourselves? So I don't tell una before. Na Meyati Allah na then they rule Nigeria. Una know that one long time now. My fans. Now then they contract VP. Now then they contract the person who must to be president. Why somebody they dictate president for you when we want Nigeria? Why somebody will say this one must be your president and you accept that? Even when the person don't die, they will continue to impose that man on you as your president. Another shame. So some of you now when they claim say una be freedom fighter in Nigeria, now all of una must to handle homework when una go dey do as people when be freedom fighter. If you not meet that criteria, now be say you not be freedom fighter. Look at small test now. Now him Aisha Yusuf when they claim in the fight for Nigerian people. Now you take the blame. They not keep person no. They not turn as they killing people, our people every now and then. No. They cut their neck, they cut their hand, they cut their legs. Aisha Yusuf not the same. Now cow, now she don't carry for. I need the claim say it not be Fulani say I be Bini, I be this. Look at me, now make una face me. Who know you won't face you? Face you for what? We know you are not a freedom fighter. There's no point of facing you. There's no point of looking at you. What are we going to be looking at your face for? Aisha Yusuf, nobody is going to be looking at your face because we already know who you be, where you are coming from, and what you are up to. You are not a freedom fighter. We know people when they give respect. Even though those people, when they follow Shawara, Deji, and his group, all these people, they are all in one rotten basket. They say they fight freedom. Which freedom are you fighting? Which freedom are they fight Deji and his group? All those when they follow Shawara, majority of them, ladies and gentlemen, they there for their own gain, for their own interest. And if guys not taken, we are coming. If not been Nnamdi Kanu, we don't know how that Nigeria will be today. Now because of the lesson when Nnamdi Kanu they teach Nigerian people, now I make Nigeria come be like say people don't they stand up small. If not been Nnamdi Kanu, including Funky D, therefore don't invade everywhere today in Igbo land. Completely. This one not they go just they mount everywhere inside the city. Chase away everybody. Just like when you do in the north, they will begin live there. If you don't want to go, they will kill you there. That is the job of these people when we Fulani people. They are all killers. So this time around, the only person we will listen to now our leader when be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All those governors, all of them, they'll not get your time. But something must be done with time. I say even after the revolution, people want to see the champion of Nigeria, they are still corrupt people. We no go still accept them. Anybody want go say after revolution, say make Nigeria still become the same as the day before. Oh, they don't change the law. Oh, they want restructure. After that, you are joking, because Nigeria can never be one again. Not in this life, not today, not tomorrow, and not forever. I say thanks to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra for jobs well done. We have to be careful about people when we call our leaders. Now, everybody now don't know say na Nnamdi Kanu be that person when God don't really ordain as a true leader. The only true leader in that country will be Nigeria, whether you like it or not. I don't tell you before, if you don't listen to this broadcast, anyhow when you see us. Na so it be, and na so it be. Nothing go change that. The only person that when they come out again will know in Yoruba land or in Oduduwa land, na Sunday Igboho na when don't come out. Now be the next video when I go see soon. So, Uwazurike, hide your face. Asari or Asara Dokubo or whatever you call yourself, hide your face. Wike, hide your face. Amechi, hide your face. The whole Ohanes Ndigbo, both senior and junior, make una hide on our faces. Because all of una, none of una, be true leader like Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody even near Nnamdi Kanu level. None. So Nnamdi Kanu, make you continue to do your good job. Now only God will send you, go reward you. Only bad people, when no one peace, now then they seek for one Nigeria. Now then they ask for, anytime when you hear one Nigeria in channel television in any bullshit television station in that country, just off your television, because now big gangster people now they deal with in Nigeria. Deadly politicians. I mean career politicians.